Are you driving an Audi and you would like to turn off the Audi speed warning, but you don't know how to do so? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to deactivate the speed warning in your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi My menu and click on Car. Click on this button. Go to Driver Assist. By clicking on Speed Warning, you will open the menu where you can set and adjust the traffic sign base signals and the manual speed warning to your preference. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.